Today, I'm going to show you how to open AnyDesk on your computer, step by step, and then I'll also show you how to use the ID and connection window the right way. This is a very simple process, but if you've never used AnyDesk before, this quick guide will help you get started fast. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is click on the Windows search bar. You can find it on your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Once the search box is open, just type AnyDesk. As soon as you see the AnyDesk app appear in the results, click on it to open the program. After the application opens, you'll see the main AnyDesk window. Look for the section called This Desk. Under that section, you will see a unique 9-digit or 10-digit number. This number is your AnyDesk ID. If someone needs to access your computer and help you, this is the number you give them. You simply share your AnyDesk ID with the person who needs to connect to your system. If you are the one trying to connect to someone else's computer, then you will need their AnyDesk ID instead. Next, locate the remote desk bar. This is usually at the top of the AnyDesk window. Click inside that field and enter the remote user's 9-digit AnyDesk ID. Make sure you type it correctly, because even one wrong digit can stop the connection from working. Once the ID is entered, click the Connect button. After that, the remote user will receive a pop-up on their screen. They must click Accept to allow you access to their computer. Until they approve the request, the connection will not go through. And that's it. You now know how to open AnyDesk on a computer, find your AnyDesk ID, and start a remote connection the proper way. If this tutorial was useful, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful computer tips, and stay tuned for the next video.